out there.
Hello guys, today we're going to be working on showing you how to work a 118 model squad car. Let's get started. First, you press. There are some buttons under these squad cars. You can either go that way, and they go like this. And that up. And they don't stay long though. And then you can either switch those, then they stay on longer. Let's do this one. This one's my brother's.
Can I join in?
My brother's gonna join in. Don't do anything, sorry.
Hi guys.
And you can go like this to change the decals on the thing.
And if you want to, you can.
And the sirens would go off too.
And yeah, you can do that.
And
The doors do open.
as everything, they open.
And it's got spotlights.
The front bumper's open.
My front bumper is actually a little broke, guys.
The back do too.
Well, the back doesn't open, but we're just showing you. Put this on YouTube.
And they've got some windshields. You can actually, they put stickers on, you can see yourself in them. And
the bumpers have police lights on
yeah, they've got
them.
little police lights. And the doors are black, the handles and stuff. Oh, and if you're wondering, you can buy new lights for these and stuff. And put lights in here
Guys,
and stuff.
Guess what my favorite light thing is, guys? That one, guys. The one with no lights.
And we are going to be showing the last part of the day. The wheels. You can buy new wheels for them and stuff like that. If you can't see. They are like very, very delicate. You could take the wheels off and stuff. But they are very delicate, so...
So yeah, guys, that was the end of our police model video. Hope we see you next time.
Bye!